Oh, yes, I can record. All right, hang on. What's up, YouTube? Again, I am going inside the ice caves. Holy shit. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. This is so awesome. You would never get an experience like this. Look at that. Look at this. I am in the Decorah Ice Caves. Try and do this whenever you can. I encourage you. See, facing your fear. Oh, I think you can go deeper. Wait. Oh, man. Could like camp out in here. Wow, you can see your breath in here. It's that cold. Whoa. There's actually ice in here. Look at that. There's actually ice in here. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Did you get a picture of the bat?
The what?
The bat.
Where is that? Did I scare it?
No, it's right here in the wall.
Oh my god.
Right above me. Right there.
Take a look at that bat. I swear to God, if it flies, I am running the hell out of here. Look at that cute little guy. Look at that cute little bat. He's adorable. Hi, kitty. Hi, Dracula. Please. Ah, shit. Oh my God. That scared the shit out of me. I think I should get out of here before I wake Dracula. Oh my God. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, YouTube. All right, what's up, YouTube? I am back. Just one of my family members was concerned of where I was at, but let's move onward. Decorah is kind of a nice place to be, like a lot of nature. So this is a video for all you nature buffs out there. So yeah, it's a really nice trail. Just look at that. Especially look at that there. That is super nice. I just really enjoy nature. Nature is like a really peaceful place. No annoying cars, no annoying people. Just can just be out here. Kind of like a meditation thing. I tripped, by the way, so. This trail is kind of easy, by the way. It wasn't as hard as that one back there, but. It's very peaceful out here. I am going to pick up the pace. There's still a little nice jog. I think here, if I cut through some brambles, I'll be able to see over again. No, just a cornfield. We're not going there. God. Hope I don't get a heart attack. Holy shit. Also, like I said before, please hit that like and subscribe button and comment on this. I would like that a lot. As you saw at that split there, here is the other trail. So we're just gonna continue moving forward. You ever think about that one scary movie, The Hills Have Eyes? I think that's a book. Either a book or a movie. There's a squirrel, black squirrel. See him? Well, I can't really see him. There's a bunch of barbed wire. There he is. There he goes. We should. The ice caves was 0.9, so just running down this hill. Nah, it's not a cave. Shit, guys, I don't know where to go. Come to a fork in the road. That's what they usually say. I'll ask my adult. There he is. There he comes. Here he comes. I'll ask. Do you know which way's the ice caves from here? Are you sure? Okay. Okay. Running down this hill cautiously. So, sorry, I was taking you guys the wrong way. It is down here. Okay. Let's keep going. Came to a sign. Falcon Nuts Loop. This is a Viking symbol of strength. Down here? Okay. So as you saw on that sign, the Viking symbol of strength. I plan on getting that tattoo once I'm out of all the legal trouble I'm in, to symbolize how strong I've become, even in the darkest moments of my life. Oh, wow. Where to now? Down here? It's down here. Are you sure? Okay. Let's cut through here. All right. I am running most of this trail. Very hard exercise because it is has a lot of hilly terrain. Whoa, that's really steep. Is that a trail? No, I think this is a trail here. A couple of signs. Hard. We're done. I think we're coming up on the ice cave. Is this way the ice cave? It says state preserve boundary. These signs say state preserve boundary. Are we heading in the right direction, the ice cave? Okay. So, go down?
Yeah, keep going.
Okay. So as you can see, this hill is kind of slanted. So if you do come here and decide to run these trails, do it with caution. Because one slip, you fall down that, and then you would probably suffer some bad injuries. You know, one saying in the Marines is pain is just weakness leaving the body. I'm hurting real bad right now, but who gives a damn, right? It's just pain, weakness leaving the body. I mean, as pain is just weakness leaving the body. So for people who vape out there, quit doing that shit and do this instead. I urge you. This is a lot better than that shit. So, where to now? All right.
What does this say up there?
Snail trail. Oh, ice cave. Look, so we gotta keep going that way. I hear water running, so. I think we're almost there. On my right lung. that's hurting pretty bad right now. But I'm not letting that stop me from doing what I love. Where the hell do I go now? Where do I go now? Down here? Okay. Ton exercise. And we made it to here, to the road. Just take some time and appreciate how far we've came. Remember, stay well, stay fit, stay alive. That is most important. I think this is a dead end here. I'm not sure. Oh, I think we're going the wrong way. No, I do think I am going the wrong way. Shit. Hey, Dad! Well, crap balls. I went the wrong way. Is that this way? Okay. That's what I get for running. Karma came back and bit me in the ass. That hurt my ankle a shit ton. Now we're here. How far?
Up there and we'll walk right behind it.
I know, but how far from here? So I just gave you guys a little detour. My fault. But at least it was scenic. How much further? Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna pick up the pace again. Oh, what do you know? I'm bleeding. Yeah, up on that trail, this would have been a deadly fall. Be careful. I see why people can't drive on this. Bit overgrown on the road. See, my dad is way far behind. Definitely would have been a deadly fall. See that? It's craziness. It's super duper steep. And I ran down this fucking mountain. Why didn't you guys stop me? Nah, I'm just playing. But please do consider hitting that like and subscribe button and comment below. That would help me a lot. That's usually, sorry for repeating myself, deadly fall. Probably 1 million exclamation points. Let's go. With my long videos, I try and put in a little bit of humor too. So I think we made it to the ice caves. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at that. We made it to the ice caves. Let's go in.
Oh. You go ahead. I'm gonna stay here. Watch out, buddy. Let other people go, honey.
Oh, yeah. It's cold.
Thank you.
Is there a walk?
Oh, what?
We are now in the ice caves. It is cold in here. Very dark. You can see your breath in here. It's kind of crazy. I don't know what kind of woodland skinwalker is going to be in here. I need my flashlight for this. Like I said, YouTube viewers, please like, comment, and subscribe. That would help me a lot. Peace out, YouTube. What's up, YouTube? Once again, I am going to be taking you to the top of the Dunning Springs waterfall. So, bear with me. Very physically demanding and challenging. A very nice scenery it is. Peace out, YouTube. What's up, YouTube? I am currently at Dunning Springs, Decorah, Iowa, and I am gonna hike the trail with you, and it's gonna be a scenic video, so here we go. It gets tiring. I've ran this trail before. Never made it this far while running. That is an exercise. Here is the best part of the trail. This is the best part of the trail. Pretty nice. Taking the scenery. You can practically see the whole town from here. I will also be going to the ice caves too. So stay tuned for that. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That would help me a great deal. And hype me on YouTube too. Pretty steep trail too. Any viewers watching this, I encourage you to come to the state of Iowa and hike these trails. It is nice. Pretty much see the whole town from here. All right, we're going to the ice caves now. Let's go. Now we're walking. It is quite a workout. My throat hurts. God. All right. Didn't go that way. Going this way. Oh God. Ow. I'm not conditioned to run up that steep of a hill. My heart is beating fast. .9 easy. Let's go. Sorry for that disgustingness, but like I said, I'm not conditioned to do that sort of stuff yet. That hurts. I'm surprised I can manage. You can see downhill too. I will. Sorry, YouTube, I have to go. I will pick this up and peace out.